A lot of times people don't know how to measure the flour, quite frankly. They don't aerate their flour. They don't mix it before they measure it. They are not exacting and measuring. They tap their cup. I could probably list 5 different things that people do just with the flour alone. If you measure your flour properly, it should work. But also, I've been making biscuits. You know how many thousands of hours I have making biscuits? So you're not going to make them right the first 10 times. Absolutely. In this latest book, I've given you all of the tools to help you make a biscuit if you follow them. Sometimes people also, the butter's too warm. They don't understand why butter should stay cold. They're the techniques that, or they don't use a full fat buttermilk. The buttermilk in the grocery store it's non-fat buttermilk, not full of fat. So that means you need sour cream, or they'll use milk and put lemon juice in it, and they make their own buttermilk. That's not buttermilk. So I can think of a number of things that people would do that they think don't matter because I made a suggestion in the recipe. No, that's the recipe.